Hello my friends, I'm back with sound S. Can you do the sound S? It's the easiest, and sound S comes from letter S. Yes, it comes from letter S. So let's look at the blends. We have sa, we have say, we have so, we have se, we have si, we have si, we have sai, so, we have so, sa, su, si, and sai. Yes, those are the blends in sound S and many other blends. Okay, now let's use those syllables to form some words. Yes, the first one. Now remember, some sounds are silent. Okay, some sounds are silent in some words, not all the words, but in some words. So let's look at those words. We have sa, sa, and that gives us sun, the sun that gives us light every day. Then we have sto, and the last sound is silent, so we say sto, and that gives us stone. Yes, that is a stone. Then we have the next one, skate, skate, and the last sound is silent, so we say skate. Yes, do you know how to skate? You should learn how to skate. Yes. Then the next word we have so, then a silent sound, then p. So we say soap. Yes, so soap, that is soap. Yes. Then the next one is store. Store. So we get star. Yes, the star that gives us light that comes during the night time. Yes. The next one is spade, and then we have a silent sound there, so we have spade, and it gives us spade. Yes, spade. Then the next one is snake, and a silent sound, so this is going to be snake, snake. And the last word is going to be sand, sand, and we get sand. Yes, the sand. Let's look at the sentences now. The sentences. The first one says the snake is in the sand. The snake is in the sand. Then the next one, I can't skate. I can't skate. Then the last one, the stone is very big. The stone is very big. And that's it for today. Remember to practice these sounds, because when you practice, they're going to be easy peasy, like lemon squeezy for you. Okay, bye bye.